I have been using an air fryer for so many years and I have tried many different ones, but honestly, Cosori is our absolute favorite. This is actually their newer model. This is the Cosori Pro 2. We did have the 1, but we recently upgraded. It's got the 5.8 quart size bin. You've got tons of room. And of course, this comes out for easy to clean and easy to access. You can take your bin out of your food. And my absolute favorite part about Cosori is all of their presets that they already have. So yes, of course, you can easily change the temperature, the amount of time, but look at this. You want French fries? Boom, one push of the button, you've got your French fries. You want to have fish over here. There you go. You've got your fish. You've got your meat. You've got so that's like your steak. This is chicken. All of these. You've got your veggies. Everything is already set. You've got toast. You've got bake. It just makes your life so much easier. And because Cosori is amazing and it's Cosori, it does also come with the recipe book. So it gives you some different ideas. If it's your first time using an air fryer, you don't know what you can put in here. Honestly, you can put any and everything in here. And it is my absolute favorite. I cannot recommend it enough.